Hi, my name is Erwin Schuster. I'm the manufacturer and designer of this product. I'm going to explain how easy it is to assemble and install this product. In the package you will receive 5 different parts. The vertical part, the horizontal part, the 2 legs and the brackets and clamps to install it. To show you how easy it is to install, we start from the beginning. This is a typical Dutch bike. This could be your bike, but it could also be a beach cruiser, a mountain bike, a city bike or a hybrid. Now first we're going to show you how we're going to pre-assemble the bamboo rack. First we start with the bottom part to install the vertical part into the bottom part. Very important detail is getting the bamboo cane through this metal joint and at least has to stick 1 millimeter through the metal joint. Then we use the hex key to tie it and first we start with this one, secondly with this one to check if the bamboo is enough through the metal joint, tie it again and then tie all the 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Bottom part and vertical part are now assembled together. To install the 2 legs, 1 leg here, tie it, take the other leg and tie it. Tie this tight. The third step in the assembling of the bamboo rack is to attach the clamps and the brackets on the top of the bamboo rack. To show you it in detail, I'm going to turn the bamboo rack. In front of you, you see the clamp, the holder, the bracket and the bolts. First we take the clamp, put this part, and then bolt it and tie it and tie this tight. 2 important details in the assembling of the clamp and the bracket. First, put the clamp as close as possible to this joint. Secondly, the bracket has to be in parallel position of the top part of the bamboo rack. Then continue with the installation of the clamp on the other side. The last step in assembling the whole rack before installation on the bike is to remove lower joints on the legs from the bamboo. Now we're going to install the pre-assembled bamboo rack on the bicycle. First step, put the brackets on the steer. Install the bolts, the washer and the nuts and tie it together. From the steer we go to the axle of the front wheel and to show you how we are going to install the legs to the axle of the front wheel. First we unscrew the bolt of the axle. Then we are going to put 1/2 of the joint with the bolt on the axle. Tie the nut firmly on the axle. This part of the installation, this joint has to be exactly in line with the leg. This is the most critical part of the whole installation. So you take the bamboo leg, put it in the half of the joint, take the other part and put it together. Okay, after installing the left joint on the left leg, obviously we continued with the installation of the right joint on the right leg. After that, we have to check all the bolts and all the nuts to be very firmly tight. Tight. If we recap the whole thing, we had a pre-assembling of the bamboo rack and then the installation of the bamboo rack on the bicycle. The installation on the bicycle is just 2 steps, starting from the steer and then ending with the installation of the joints on the axle.